Hello everyone. I will show you how to book the IELTS test with IDP in Canada. So let's type Book IELTS test in Canada. Click here, book your test IDP Canada, and I will also share the link in the description of this video. Now select your desired province and city where you would like to take the test. For now, I am choosing Calgary. As you can see, there are two logos which represent paper-based and computer-based tests. Also on this page, you can see venue, availability and exam type. So let me choose the academic IELTS test and let's click on the book now button. Now you can see basic details and the IELTS type. Scroll a bit and you will see the test center venue details. Let's choose dates. Let me choose the 11 September slots and here you can see time preferences for the test. Choose one and then click on continue. Now choose a slot for the speaking test. Click on create a new user and check mark I have read all TNCs. Now choose your title. If you have achieved a doctorate, then use doctor, else Mr. for males. If you are married, use MRS. And if you are an unmarried female, use MS. Enter details such as name, surname, and make sure the details that you are entering are same in your passport. Then enter your nationality, your first language, telephone, and valid email address. Now, there's a column of occupation and education. There you can enter anything. These details doesn't matter. IELTS asks this information to determine which demographics is scoring better on the test. Now, enter the address where you want your TRF, also known as test result form, to be delivered. Now, this username of your is given by IELTS and it can't be changed. So first, note down your IELTS username and then set a password. Under contact permission, you may or may not check mark according to your wish. If you check mark, then they will send you marketing updates on your email. Click on register. Now, my application page will open. You can select anything here. IELTS asks these questions to generate their statistics. Now, type your correct passport number with an expiry date. You must upload a copy of your passport, the page where your name and photo are there, and it is mandatory to upload it. You can do it now or before 3 days of your test. Right now, I am clicking on continue. As I previously said, it is obligatory and you can see it here as well. If you know where to send your scores, then do it. Else, click on continue. Now, you can see your IELTS test booking summary and check all details carefully, especially exam type, exam mode, exam center, full name, date of birth, passport number, and write your username somewhere to remember it. Click on Agree to TNC and then click on Continue. Click on Pay Now to pay online. Choose a method to pay, that is credit card. Click on Continue and enter your credit card details and confirm payment. After paying successfully, you will see a confirmation page along with a message and an email. And you're good to go. If you have any doubts, then do let me know. Thanks for watching.